Have you ever wondered why some projects succeed while others fail? The answer lies in motivation. In development projects, motivation is crucial, especially for project teams facing challenges. Development projects often involve complex tasks. These tasks demand a dedicated team that stays motivated despite difficulties. As a project manager, your role becomes vital. You must understand what drives your team to perform their best. First, identify the specific motivators for each team member. Each person has unique incentives. Some might seek recognition, while others desire personal growth or financial rewards. Understanding these differences is key. Next, create an environment that nurtures motivation. This includes open communication and providing support. Regular check-ins can help gauge team morale. Address any concerns that arise promptly. Another crucial step is to foster teamwork. When team members support each other, motivation increases. Encourage collaboration and celebrate collective achievements. This builds a positive atmosphere. Now, let's illustrate this with an example. Imagine a team working in a remote location. They face high security risks and uncomfortable living conditions. As a project manager, you can boost team morale by implementing team-building activities. This shows you care and helps them bond. Ultimately, motivated teams lead to successful projects. Poor motivation can cause high turnover and low morale. Even the best plans can fail without a motivated team behind them. In summary, as a project manager, your ability to motivate your team is essential. Understand their needs, create a supportive environment, and foster teamwork. Your leadership can turn challenges into successes. Ready to become a better motivator? Start today by engaging with your team. Understand their motivations and watch your projects thrive.